this is proving to be a bit of a pain. I'm not gonna lie to you, but we've actually had to. Yo, it's good people. Alright, we're going to scrapyard to try and get that glove box latch and the bonnet latch because we snapped my one.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah. Right, we're back. And we actually did have the latch and the bolt for us yesterday, stashed in a crisp packet. So, just gonna get on with it. Stay tuned. Yeah, only I would forget that we had already got the glove box latch the last time we went to the scrapyard. There's not really many 850s around, especially at the scrapyards. We've seen 2 there. The T5 that we saw got swooped up. I don't know where that went. That literally went within a couple of days, so luckily we got the wings off that. And the red saloon that's still there, that's where we got obviously the glove box from because it had the matching interior. But we managed to get the glove box all in. I did it after like, what, an hour? And man like Cal was able to pop the, what's it calls it? So we got my OG lock on it. But it's good, it's good. Missing a little bit there.
Yeah, to just
but
pop the slider
it's alright.
out,
Yeah, basically just had to get the handle out of this good one. And then, yeah, make sure it works on my lock, which it does. Sweet as. Alright, now it's time for the radio. Stay tuned. So I put this on a time lapse just because I didn't want to bore you guys when we're just ripping out the old head unit, putting the new one in. I didn't really want to cut any of the interior out. See, these are getting rarer, so I'm not really trying to do all that. Also, at the time of editing this, we're 6 days away from Santa Pod, and I'm not going to lie to you lot, the wrapping has taken far longer than expected, so we're extremely tight on time and extremely under a lot of pressure. So I appreciate that this video might not be as entertaining as our usual ones. Equally, I'm doing this vlog style content just to show you guys how much work has actually been put into this car and how much time we've actually spent trying to get this up and running. We managed to do the swap with my electrical specialist.
Yeah, boy.
Sorted out, sorted right out with that. Obviously we thought we couldn't get the cage on, but we managed to sort it out. Let's have a little gans.
Show them the thing. Show them the thing that it does.
The thing that it does?
Yeah, the boop boop.
Oh,
yeah.
Get the angles on it, go all the way out. 5, I think. So let's go to 3. Are we alright?
Yeah, it's good for the drivers.
Yeah. Yeah. Not bad. Can't lie.
Sounds good.
Yeah, no, it sounds alright. Obviously, we put a tune on for like 5-10 seconds, so you'll lose what can hear it. Oh, and yeah, by the way, had the ignition on when we was loading it in and kind of died. So, had to get jumped by Yardenio over there. So cheers, pal. Go on, put on the Sabbath again, go on. It's only right, mate. Just fast forward it to a nice juicy bit, mate. So, overall, not bad. It's definitely increased the quality of the sound that we had before because I could only have it on temporarily. When I say temporarily, like 5 minutes max. But it's all good. Stay tuned for more. We might have some more deliveries coming this week.
Yeah, boy.
So, the electrical specialist might have to
we'll wire in
swing
some things.
by and
we'll put some toys in it.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do. But yeah, glove box done, lock changed over, head unit in. Needs to get some like trim to go around it, but that's obviously a minor issue. And the clocks are next, but it's getting late and getting dark, so yeah, we'll keep you lot posted. But yeah, peace and love, people, in a bit. Right, another day.
Another day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar. More progress. So we've emptied this out, pretty much. We've just taken one of the speaker grills off and emptied this out, and we've had a delivery. So let me get my good old trusty Stanley mate. She is. Nice.
Big reveal.
The big reveal. The big reveal.
Go on.
Go on. Go on. It's too tall, mate. It's too tall, mate. It's too tall, mate.
Just steer it.
Where's this stuff on?
There we go. And these ones.
Oh, yeah. Good job, you know what's going on, pal.
Oh, oh yeah, no. It's got to be one of us, isn't it? Ooh.
Base face.
Complete wrong item.
Yeah, can you imagine? Right, so we've got...
Two of the same.
Yeah, exactly that. Two of the same.
Oh.
Nice.
Thank you for your purchase.
Alright, please go to our website to download the most recent manual.
Nah, we know what we're doing.
5 minutes. I'll let you do it, mate. Have the honours.
You have a little bit of the filming.
Have the honours, mate.
Yeah.
Got old trusty Stanley.
Good old trusty Stanley. We've got here. Ooh, don't drop it.
Yeah, just bang it on there, innit? I don't even know what these are, so don't hate me in the comments for not knowing.
Yeah, I think I like little amps.
Okay, so we get nice. Alright.
No idea what these
are tweeters, so you can angle them.
Oh.
Yeah.
A little bit of wiring kit.
Nice. Just shimmy that over.
More bits of wiring.
Yeah, and then the two tweeters.
Nice. More bits of wiring. Two little tweeties.
Yep, so that's going to be a straight swap for the fronts. What's that?
Oh. That's your sticker. Instructions. Something.
Oh no, should we pop over quick? Should be nosy.
Be nosy, I think. I'm going to pull this one out.
What are you doing this?
Oh, I'm not going to pull this one out. Ooh.
Base face.
They look quite nice.
Yeah, they're decent.
How much were these?
I cannot disclose that information on camera, but I got them for a good deal.
Oh, you can't. I've got to undo them.
Yeah, that's fine. We can sort that out after.
They look pretty good though.
Yeah, they're decent. Decent. SPL 5C.1s.
C.1s.
Go on, open that. Let's see what's actually in there.
Oh, okay.
Go on, do the honours, mate.
Ooh. Looks like a weird little sticky bit. It's just like a little sticky bit.
With some adhesive.
Something like that. I don't know. Do you know what? Would tell us?
What?
Downloading the instructions.
Mister, I don't need instructions. Professional installer. All right.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Do you want to see me?
Is there anything underneath?
No, that's it.
Sweet. All right. Yeah.
it.
And then obviously we've got the exact same kit times 2.
Yeah.
Get it all ready. Shut up the time lapse. Don't know where we're going to put the camera, but we'll probably move it as we're doing each part.
Yeah. We'll just give them an update as we're going.
And we will show you before and after. So in a sec. We've installed the new Pioneer head unit. Well, I say new. This is probably like 8 years old. I had this in my Astra VXR. Managed to cram it in because of my electrical specialist telling me how it works and how we can make it work. We're just missing the little fascia around the end. This was the standard setup of the speakers. So we've got obviously the 4 door speakers, which are obviously got 2 up front there and there. You've got the ones out in the back on both sides. You've got the tweeters. You got the tweeters right in the back, D pillars, and you got the 2 dash speakers.
Oh yeah, we've got a lot of speakers.
So
today.
we've got 8 to do today. So sound test is coming up now at level 10. Level 20. Level 30. Just to give you guys better insight on how it all works and the bit more techie side, about to get it all out on that. I'll leave it with the electrician to do his thing.
Oh, I wouldn't call myself an electrician, mate. I'm just trying.
Cable tie mechanic.
Yeah, that's my backyard mechanic. That's what I like. All for all these other YouTube mechanics. Right, so we've got a little clip there that goes into the side there, up there, and then yeah, these 2 are just little pop ones. And then we've got some little T-pieces by the looks of it. You want to do them and go from there?
Nice cheap little set. Does the job though. Just want it on the ratchet or the hand?
Hand please. Yeah, good old T20.
Nice. Just get the tray, shouldn't I?
Oh yeah, we should get the nice trays.
Shall I go get the tray?
You can get
Alright,
the trays.
I'm gonna go get the special trays. You lot can come on a little adventure with me real quick. The T4. Don't know where they are though. But huh? Where is it? Brown box. Nice. Look at that. You wait till you see these bad boys in action. Got the Venom green.
Oh yeah.
Hang on a second, let me just quickly squeeze past.
Right, so it looks like we got 3 little diddy ones. 1, 2, 3 little diddy ones. And then we got 1 big boy.
Nice.
Get them in there. Look at that.
Look at that.
Let's have a little look what we got behind here then. Oh. One off. There's the other one off. And there's your speaker.
Is it a paper one? It is a paper one.
It doesn't feel too bad.
30 years old.
It's not bad for
Yeah.
30 years old. That is not bad. Original.
OEM.
Sweden!
These are the new bad boys. How much, like, taller are they? Is this going to be a problem to fit? Nah, it goes in far enough, doesn't it?
We'll see. We'll see.
Alright, cool.
We'll cut and we'll come back.
Tell you what we'll do though, just to keep these safe, I'll put the OEM bad boys in there.
Is this like a cover?
Nah.
No?
Nah. Let me, we should have watched the install guide. Hold that.
You have to cut the door out then.
You have to cut the door out? Nah, it'll fit. Alright, he's managed to get 3 of these off. They're
Yeah.
literally just little pry clip, like
Yeah,
rubbers.
It's just a little plastic piece. You just do a little ping. Ooh,
Little ping off.
do a little comparison.
Yeah.
These are a lot bigger on the back, so hopefully we can fit them in. But they look pretty similar on the front.
Yeah, well, about to find out. See if we can make it happen.
We'll see, shall we? Should we plug them in first?
Yeah, which one's which?
I mean, this has got red on it, so I'd like to think that that's the positive.
It's got writing on it too.
Where? PO5 at the end. I'm gonna guess that's positive. Yeah, it could be 5. No, it's definitely 5, not POS. I'm just gonna loosely fit them in there just so. Oh dear. I don't think these are gonna fit right.
Oh no.
I don't think they're gonna fit because of that.
Alright. No dramas. It's alright, it's alright.
What is stopping me?
Hang on. Is it the plastic? Is it the housing that's on the weird angles and shit?
Yeah, but without the housing, we won't be able to get it in there. But let's take it off and see.
Well, there is like stuff behind
This
it.
is a T27.
Well, I've only got 25, mate.
What?
T25.
Oh no, it might be T25. It's a 25. I was wrong. I lied. I'm sorry.
Bad friend.
I'm a liar.
Isn't there a clip at the top? That's 2 clips. Yeah. There you go. So that's calm.
Alright, well these can just screw into here. We can screw it anywhere in here if we need to.
Yeah.
But we do need to make sure.
Do you want to tuck the cables in for now?
Yeah, we'll lose them for now. Try and find them later. I don't know what's the
Bottom in first.
No, but I think
Yeah, okay, we can't do it that way around.
no, I'm thinking that this part here is probably stopping me. We might need to give a bit of hammer action.
Or a file.
Or a file, maybe? If we have a look. It will go in, just, but it looks like it has to be like perfect. If you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it fits in that hole and it sticks to the door.
Yeah, make sure that don't fall out, mate.
So that might, oh yeah.
No. Alright, we're going to theory craft, get back to you lot.
Yeah, we're going to figure this out.
This has proven to be a bit of a pain, I'm not going to lie to you. We've actually had to hammer this metal sheet in as much as we can to create enough space to actually fit these speakers in because of the size of them. But it doesn't affect the window closing or anything because that's on the other side of this. So we basically just tried to give as much room as possible, and it's still a tight fit. We do have some rubber rings that we can put around these corners, and we should be able to do it. So I'm going to keep you lot posted, but that's where we're at right now. Stay tuned. We've tested that it does actually work off the OG connectors. Now we've got to try and shimmy this in.
I might give these a little bend down. Get them in there a little better. They only just fit. Oh, no. Might be no fit.
It's the carpet.
Might be no fit.
Is it the carpet?
There might be the carpet at the back. Give me
Okay,
that little bit more.
let me rip the carpet out. Let's just test it quick.
I'll try not to damage the actual.
Yeah, cone and that, yeah.
There, the cone. Yeah, there we go. We're in. Not the best, but it's in. We'll maybe do a little sound test.
So we can only bolt in the bottoms as it stands, isn't it?
Pardon? I can screw in all of them.
You can't move them up.
I can come in an angle. Really not getting a lot. I think we might have to hook it up with them.
We might have to. So we did actually get these. So we need to try and see how this all works, to be honest.
Yeah, because we're not getting cool volume out of that. We ain't getting no bass out of it, so we might have to put the. Where are they? Where are they gone? Them ones, them little bass face pieces.
The components.
Yeah, I'm guessing that's why it comes with it.
I don't know, mate.
Because we're getting 7 volts out of these speakers here, which is just. I don't get why we're getting 7 volts out of both each side.
I don't know.
We'll figure it out.
I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. We'll get back to you.
We'll read the instructions this time.
Oh, I can't find them online. Just popped open the tweeter and we found an good old Spidey's nest. Yuck. Yeah.
I'm not even putting no in.
Yeah, it's just touching it.
Let touch it.
Oh.
Oh, go for the middle bit. It's a broken.
It's like cutting a cake. Yuck, that's f***ing disgusting. Maybe we should just throw them.
Yeah, we've basically made a mess. But we thought it had an amplifier. Now we're not thinking it's got an amplifier. Do the general electrician thing where you just throw the bits around, you know, let everyone else clean it up.
Yeah,
Break it.
I break, I buy.
You already bought it.
I break, I buy again.